A small luxury camper van with a big bathroom. Is it possible? The Dethleffs Globetrail proves that it is. For $110,000, you get a bathroom like you've never seen in a camper van before. But what makes it so big? Let's take a look.
Motorhome Luxury.
Let's start off by stepping inside this camper van. The interior design of the Globetrail is a combination of a modern design while also being comfortable. Features like the light wood finishes, neutral upholstery, and well-placed LED lighting created a cozy ambiance, giving it the look of a luxury hotel rather than a camper van. The front of the van includes adjustable swivel seats that can be rotated 180 degrees to face the main living room, converting the driver and passenger seats into a part of the lounge area. All the seats in the van are equipped with Scandinavian upholstery, which maximizes comfort and quality. Moving on, the main lounge area has been optimized to create more space. Here you will find a sleek and functional half-dinette area, which is furnished with a 19.6 inches table with a changeable swivel extension. This allows for the area to be used for work, eating, or even as a place for the family to play some board games or hang around. For optimal traveling comfort, the sofa seats have a tilt-adjustable backrest. A few examples of the exquisite attention to detail featured in this camper van include the adjustable blackout curtains for privacy and USB ports conveniently placed to charge your electronic devices. The van includes a display located above the passenger seat. This is linked to the Dethleffs Connect app, which is a part of the vehicle's monitoring system. It allows the user to control various onboard settings, such as the lighting, water, and heating systems, increasing the comfort and convenience of the living space. There is also plenty of storage space throughout the van with built-in storage compartments fitted along its upper interior walls. They provide lots of room for storing personal belongings like clothing, books, electronics, or kitchenware. The fact that the storage is placed in a continuous manner allows for a smooth appearance, giving an aesthetically pleasing look. These compartments have sturdy latches, which guarantees that everything is secure when the vehicle is moving around. The kitchen area is very well equipped, especially for a camper van this size. It contains a pull-out fridge that can be accessed from all sides, a spacious stainless steel sink that comes with a cover, so it also serves the purpose of being a prep area, and a 2-burner gas stove with electric ignition, giving you plenty of space to prepare your meals. Furthermore, it also includes many cabinets and drawers where you can store the pots, pans, and any pantry supplies. As for ventilation, the kitchen has mosquito-netted windows which allows fresh air to enter the cabin without the danger of any unwanted animal entering the van. The sleeping space is extra large, measuring a whopping 6.5 by 4.5 feet in a 19-feet vehicle, which can comfortably fit a full-size double bed mattress. Don't think of this as your average bed. The high-density foam found in this camper van is comparable to those found in luxurious hotels. Since the bed is placed lengthwise, it also provides extra legroom, which is great for anyone who is tall. A genius touch to this is the fact that the bed can be folded to create additional space for storage whenever it is needed. Now let's talk about the most impressive feature of this camper van, the bathroom. Yes, this small vehicle fits a fully functional bathroom which includes a foldable sink, a toilet seat, and a shower. It is designed as a wet room, with a floor-level shower which includes a drainage system. The fold-away sink is a particularly smart addition, as it provides easy access to the toilet without having to take up extra room and gives you more space to shower, while the built-in heating system is perfect for those chilly mornings when you just need a warm shower. Moreover, there is also a blind installed in the van that separates the bathroom and living area, ensuring that there is privacy. This blind not only gives you privacy, it also extends into the living room area, creating additional space which makes the bathroom bigger, giving you the luxury of a huge bathroom in a small space. In terms of heating, the Globetrail has a Truma combi system that offers effective hot water and heating. This system allows you to not only take a hot shower when it's cold outside, but also during times when you just want to take a hot shower after an intense hike. Let's explore the driver's cabin of this camper van. It includes an infotainment system that offers state-of-the-art technology to elevate your driving experience, entertainment, and connectivity on the road. It is also equipped with 4 top-notch speakers that are strategically placed throughout the cabin for an immersive experience. Instead of having a traditional analog dial, this campervan includes a high-definition digital cockpit, which shows current vehicle data such as fuel consumption and speed in an easy-to-read manner. Additionally, it also includes an automatic transmission, allowing for driver convenience and an easy drive. The cockpit also includes a heated leather steering wheel with controls for a variety of the vehicle's operations. The windows at the front of the van are also equipped with blinds to ensure privacy and block sunlight. As spectacular as the interior of the Globetrail is, wait till you see the outside with a sleek black body and high-end alloy wheels that give the van an elegant look. Come along as we show you more exciting features of this campervan. The Dethleffs Globetrail's eye-catching yet subtle look is the first thing you notice about it. Its foundation is based on a Volkswagen Crafter chassis cab, which is known for its dependability and superior road handling. Globetrail took this sturdy base and transformed it into a sleek, modern camper, which looks equally good whether it is parked at a secluded campsite or navigating the streets of a city. This campervan includes 2.0-liter TDI turbo diesel engine with 163 horsepower. Without sacrificing the internal comfort, this 19.6 feet long and 8.76 feet tall vehicle provides the ideal mix of room and mobility, making it easier to operate in tight parking spots or even narrow roads. Let's start off with the front of the van and get into the specific details of this spectacular vehicle. The glossy black paint with the silver branding and red accents gives the vehicle a sporty, luxurious, and classy look that screams adventure. The automatic headlight, light assist high beam control, rain sensor, and assistance light all provide better visibility, which is critical for camping in the dark. However, appearance isn't everything in a campervan. What matters most is if it is durable. The sturdy design of this campervan and the premium materials of its chassis guarantees durability even in the most severe weather conditions. Whether it is the rain, snow, or even blazing hot sunshine, the Globetrail is prepared to face it all. Further, let's talk about the passenger side of the van, which includes a sliding door providing easy access to the inside. In terms of the design, it follows the theme of a sleek black body with red accents to give it an elegant look. The camper also includes high-end alloy wheels, which doesn't just elevate the look of the vehicle, but also improves its road performance. When combined with all-season tires, these wheels offer superior traction on roads, gravel trails, and muddy areas, making it the perfect vehicle for your adventures. Moreover, Globetrail also designed the campervan to feature an awning as an additional accessory, which you can attach to the driver's side of the van. A simple pull at the lever can transform your lounge space into an ideal shaded area for you to relax or cook outdoors. The driver's side of the van doesn't have much going on. In terms of design, it is quite similar to the passenger side, with windows, black body, and red accents. It also includes utility ports, such as a freshwater filler cap, a wastewater outlet, and an electrical hookup port. In regards to the water supply of the van, it includes a 26.42-gallon water tank, with a wastewater tank that can store up to 23.8 gallons. Additionally, the wastewater tank is both heated and insulated. If you're curious about what is on the roof of this campervan, let us tell you. Starting off with the built-in skylight, which is its most notable feature. When you're on a camping trip, this allows you to watch the stars at night, without having to take the risk of leaving your vehicle late at night in a secluded area. Speaking of the roof, this van also features a pre-wired solar system, which allows the users to simply purchase pre-wired solar kits, leading to an easy installation of solar panels on the roof. This results in users being able to extend their time off the grid. The DR600 is all about independence as, with the solar panels, it can last a while, all without having to search for a power source every other night. Then, if you add its 23-gallon tank to the equation, you have a genuine candidate for long-distance travel. At the back of the van, you will find a well-thought-out built-in storage compartment with 2 rear doors. These doors aren't just there for the look of a van, they serve a purpose. Since they open wide, it becomes easier to reach for big items like folding chairs or hiking gear. The rear of the Globetrail also includes storage space for 2 gas cylinders that you can use to operate the gas stoves. Each of these cylinders can weigh a maximum of 24.25 pounds each. These gas valves are placed in an area of the van that is also easily accessible. The exterior of the Globetrail is prepared to accommodate all your needs, whether it is organizing a quick trip over the weekend or a month-long expedition. If you enjoyed this video and want to know more about revolutionary camper vans, then take a look at our video about a new electrical motorhome that will blow your mind. Click on it, and I'll see you soon with another luxury motorhome.